Okay, it's been way too long since I made a video, and this is Daniel. Hey, Daniel. There's been a crime. You ready to see the crime scene? This is Mr. No one cares what his name is. He loves me. His heart's right there. His eyes popping out. I'm pretty sure the murderer is a cat, like the one I saw at that house over there. I saw like a tabby cat over there. There was also
cat is very fat. It looks like
if I could show you the other pictures I have like a decapitated bird. I only have his head. That was all that's left. And the next day I saw all the feathers in the spot where his head was. Yeah, it's disturbing, but I think that was his friend. Don't know how the cat caught him. People are here. Well, that's another video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And if he ever gets a channel, subscribe.
Yeah. If I get a channel, it's gonna be called Daniel Ferris PW. Subscribe.
Okay. Yeah. Whatever he said. So that's the end of this video. Surprisingly, I actually did one today. I'm kind of lazy, but okay. Bye, guys.